I'm Sony Entertainment. I'm the fashion manager for Project Book Junior. I like children, and that's why I'm here, helping them to understand, especially because I didn't get a chance when I was young to have the experience to understand the fashion industry.
We've got some fresh new young talent.
1, 2, 3.
If we can teach children that even though you are in the fashion industry, you have to be healthy, not only physical but also mentally, this is a great chance for them to understand that it's not about your looks, but also a way for them to grow within what they want to do now and in their whole life, in their careers. I got my inspiration from my mother, which she was a model. She taught me the beauty of the colors of the fabric, the fashion, the cuttings, and for me the color is also very important in every day. It gives me a little bit of mood. If I feel some way in particular, maybe I feel a little blue, then I will try to just bring colors in my life, and that's when I get inspiration, or just bring the colors in my own persona.
Hit it!
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
So I invite you to come to the next session. It's gonna be on the 10th. It's all about creating your own image, your own style. On the 17th, that's gonna be the session to walk the ramp. You will love it because you're gonna learn how to strike a pose. And for the last day, it's gonna be the gala. So it's all about the big night. You're gonna rock the stage, strike some poses, and you're gonna have a lot of fun just to be a model and to present your own design. So come join us.